Introducing aspect ratio. Sometimes you want to preserve the aspect ratio of your content so it always showcases the right information. For example, when we preview this section, on certain viewports you will see that the image will be cut off and thus not giving us the correct context wherein we can clearly see the product. To prevent this from happening, you can work with aspect ratio. So let's select the layer that contains this image, and then under size you will see ratio. The dropdown will show the most commonly used aspect ratios, but you can also create your own by clicking on custom. Important to know is that when setting an aspect ratio, it will override your width or height settings because it also needs to do this in some cases to preserve the aspect ratio. Now let's change this to 1:1, and then when we preview, you will see that no matter on which device we see this section, the image will always hold the 1:1 aspect ratio and thus always give us the correct context where we can clearly see the product. And that's the power of aspect ratio. Aspect ratio can work with any container, from containers that hold an image like this one on the right to containers that hold text like this one on the left. It doesn't matter. And that's all there is to know about this new and exciting feature.